Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Case closed. That's what it seemed like when a $7.5 million judgment was handed down against both Joseph and Rosalind Titano in 2014. The couple had been operating an illegal dump site at their Yigo property, leading to $3.6 million in penalties each, as well as $250,000 in restitution for the government's efforts to extinguish a blaze at the illegal dump in 2010. But several years later, and not a penny of what they owe has been paid to GovGuam. Guam EPA Public Information Officer Nick Lee.
We really only have been notified that a judgment has been handed down by the court with a monetary compensation for $7.5 million. To date, our agency hasn't received any of that judgment.
Lack of payment led the Attorney General's office to take the matter back to court in 2015.
The Attorney General's office executed a writ to all the financial institutions on Guam to try to collect on any debt or asset that is owed to the Titanos so that it could be levied by the government. That has not resulted in any funds.
Another outstanding issue is that remediation efforts to include proper cleanup of the illegal dump, which included hazardous waste, as well as the creation of a groundwater monitoring plan to test for possible pollution of the northern aquifer, have yet to be completed.
So we have not been able to determine if any contamination exists or doesn't exist in the affected site. We are going to rely on the monetary judgment to fund any testing, any sampling, any abatement methods to remediate the site. So that's where we're at today.
Despite the lack of progress, Lee said Guam EPA is working with the AG's office to push the issue forward.
While we are waiting for the funding to be available from the judgment, we will be looking into any type of grants that may, partially or wholly assist our efforts to start an assessment, start our investigation, to perform the sampling and to perform the necessary testing.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.